All right, by now you know how we've been organizing our math journal all week. You're going to glue the problem at the top, draw your vertical line and your horizontal line. Pause the video to get your journal ready. There are 7 days in a week. Some were sunny, some were rainy. Now we know we're not going to be drawing some sun and rain. Our math drawings are circles in 5 groups. So to show some of them being sunny and some being rainy, you could choose to use 2 different colors. You could choose to leave some white and color the others in. You decide. Once you have shown the 7 days, you're going to write a number sentence that goes with the picture. Remember, you're showing 4 different ways today. Then take a picture on Seesaw.